Hi guys, and karibuni sana to my channel. I'm back. Nimerudi and I've come back with a bang. I hope you guys are enjoying your 2022. Tumesema this year we're going to hit our health goals and all the other goals that you've set for yourself, and I hope you're going to make it by the end of this year. So today we are going to be making something really yummy, and it's going to be red cabbage salad. So let's get on it. Let's not waste any time. So for this recipe, you'll need a red cabbage and a normal cabbage that they call white. It's actually white. So red cabbage and white cabbage. You can the white cabbage is optional. You need 1 cucumber and some coriander ama dania. You need carrots that are going to be grated, and that is a leek, just a little piece of it. You need a mango. You can have a slice or more slices. That's my honey. I'll have some salt, some mustard, some mayonnaise, and olive oil. And of course, a place to mix it all up. We are avoiding these big parts that are definitely better when they are cooked. So take your red cabbage and put it on your salad bowl. That's my white cabbage, thinly sliced. So this is my leek. I chose to use a leek instead of onion, but you can use an onion, a white onion. So for the leeks, you also do the same. I'm not a chef, so excuse my cutting. Separate them like that so they look beautiful. Put your nice beautiful leeks there. Remember, as I've said, you can use a white onion, but I love leeks. I'm a fan of carrots, and they definitely give this a lot of sweetness. So this is our portion of carrots. You can do as much as you want. You can have a generous portion. It's your choice. But this is just to give a little bit of balance when it comes to the taste. Throw in the cucumbers. Pour the mango on top. And finally done. Yeah, so all the ingredients are put in together. Now for the dressing and the honey. You use the mayonnaise depending on how much of the salad you have. little bit of the mustard. We like the spicy brown one. You can have a generous amount or just a little. I'll put a little bit of salad seasoning. And a little salt. Mix it up. So pour all the dressing you've made. So mix up your salad. Make sure that everything mixes up. The beauty of a salad is you can mix up with any kind of fruit that you like. I like to do the mangoes because they're in season, but I also like to use apples that are always my favorite. Make sure all the carrots, everything that you put in there mixes up well. So that's well mixed up. Next, we're going to put in some olive oil, some honey. You can do a spoon or two. I prefer to just do 1 spoon. And that is a very simple, yummy, healthy red cabbage salad. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and you are going to get more videos that are wonderful for you, especially if you're on a healthy lifestyle journey. Remember, with this salad you don't have to use the honey, but it's really your choice, so make sure that you make good choices for yourself. Know what it is that you're putting so that you know what it is that you're putting into your body on a daily basis. Until next time, remember, always be a legend and a hero for who? Yourself. Always yourself. Have a fantastic day. Until next time. Mwah. Ciao.